concerning General Muhoozi Kainerugaba's supporters who are being targeted and others have been killed. Of course, even President Museveni's supporters are being killed. I'm here to tell the public that not until the people who killed Isma Olaxes have been arrested, all of us who are supporting General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, we are going to be killed. Especially people like myself, Omusajja Mivule, who are always on TV campaigning for President Museveni, mobilizing for General Muhoozi Kainerugaba. We are on the list of the people who are going to be killed. Kyagulanyi is leading a rebel group just like Kone of the Lord's Resistance Army, Omukulu of the ADF. Kyagulanyi is also a rebel commander. Kyagulanyi is leading a rebel group fighting to remove President Museveni. Every person who is supporting General Muhoozi Kainerugaba is on the list of those who are going to be killed. Kyagulanyi is the one killing these people. These are political murders. I can confidently tell the people of Uganda and the security agencies, Kyagulanyi is behind these political murders. We have videos when Kyagulanyi is directing his people to kill every person who is making it impossible for them to remove President Museveni from power. He's telling them, remove them, get them out of the way, kill them boldly. I hereby tell the security agencies that next time you are going to hear Omusajja Mivule has been killed. Not until you arrest the people who killed Isma Olaxes and they tell us who assigned them that mission.